Hi, Alex here. I'm going to show you how you can quickly configure and download a new project with the NetcoreSaas codebase. Go to netcoresaas.com and click Generate Project. Start by setting up your app name, then pick a database provider, your multi-tenancy strategy, and your email provider. Make sure to fill all the required fields. There are groups of configurations like URLs and contact, authorization keys, email server credentials, Stripe API keys, database configuration, client app theming, and finally the integrations you want to use. Once you're done, click Generate, drag the project folder on Visual Studio Code, then open a terminal and install the client packages with npm or yarn, and that's it. You're ready to debug the application. Check that your database is created. Now, update your logos and icon of your brand. Go to Client App, Source, Assets, Image folder, and replace your images. Then, go to the pricing page and see how it works. Products are loaded from a default pricing file. Let's add a new price. I'll copy and paste the pro product and set new prices. Test with this file until you're satisfied with the outcome. There are a few concepts I'd like to explain before moving any further. Multi-tenancy. NetcoreSaas allows you to have a single database for all tenants or a database per tenant. Multi-organization. Any user can belong to as many organizations as he likes, he can be invited or create a new one. The default roles are owner, admin, member and guest. Multi-theme. Using TailwindCSS, you can easily customize your themes or use one of the pre-configured ones, Tailwind colors based. Also, it comes with a dark and light mode toggle. Multi-language. You can launch internationally by adding your own language. We pre-configured English, Spanish, and some Hindi files. Multi-database. As you saw in the project generator, you can pick your database provider. We currently support these two. Now let's test how your app works. Log in with the admin user. Go to Products and generate your prices. You can verify by going to your Stripe dashboard and selecting the Stripe Prices table. Let's sign up as a tenant. Choose any price and fill up the form. Then, check your email to activate the account. The codebase comes with one tenant model, expenses. This means each organization has its own expenses and are not exposed to others. I'm creating two and removing one for demonstration purposes. Test user permissions. There are subscription and role-based permissions. See how real-time works. I'm just going to say hello from one window and hi from another. Update your organization. I'll upload my icon, logo, and dark mode logo. Then I'll change the color theme to yellow. You can invite new members directly or by sharing an invite link. I'll copy the link and join the organization. As a member, I cannot access certain pages. And lastly, let's see how the resource manager works. Log in as admin, go to Resources, Add to, and upload the file for each resource. One will be available for all your customers and the other for ultimate members only, our added subscription. Now log in as the tenant and try to download the restricted file. It can be an incentive to upgrade. Subscribe to our newsletter to get notified when new features come. That's all from me. Thanks.